Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to lesson 140 in arithmetic. Let's start with a quick review. I want you to use your ruler and go ahead and connect the dots, making sure that you don't miss any of the entries. So you're going to connect those dots from Sunday to Monday, and Monday to Tuesday is from here to here. Again, using your ruler will definitely be helpful. On Wednesday, over here. On Thursday, we're increasing some more, and on Saturday, if you look closely down here, on Friday, they did not do a lot of practice at all, did they? Okay? And then on Saturday, over here, you're going to use your ruler that way. So you can tell by this graph that on different days of the week, they practice different amounts of time. When it's connected, you can easily see which day they practice the most and which day they practice the least. So tell me, did they practice the most on which day? That's right, on Thursday they practiced the most and for 14 minutes. How about the least? Which day did they practice the least? How many minutes did they practice? 0. They took the day off on Friday. Very good. Very, very good. With a little review about conversion, I see here we have a 4 pounds minus 9 ounces equals how many ounces? Let's remember that what they're asking us for is ounces. That's what everything should change to. So I'm going to start by rewriting everything as ounces. That's the first step. Rewrite everything as ounces. After that, you're going to, if it's different, draw a line. If it's the same, write it down. Okay? Easy as that. Now, we need to draw a box around what we need to work with. These are different, so they need a box. We use our steps, 1, 2, 3. 4 pounds equals how many ounces? We need our steps. First step is to find out if we're going from larger to smaller or smaller to larger. Pounds is larger than ounces. So we're going from larger to smaller. When we go from larger to smaller, we multiply. When we multiply, what are we going to multiply? A special number that says how many ounces
Can you guys bring Declan up to the front?
Are in a pound.
No.
How many ounces are in a pound? We know our special number should be 16. Excellent. Sorry to have the interruption of our walk.
Declan, he's leaving.
So, we have 16. Now we need to multiply 4 pounds times 16. We start with a larger number and we multiply. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. And our answer is 64. Where do we put that answer? 64 goes into the box. Very good. Now, 64 minus 9 equals 55. Good, you guys are quick. And our answer should be 55 ounces. Let's do one more just to make sure. 1 kilogram plus 721 grams is equal to how many grams? Please remember, we take the answer and we make all of them the same. This is the same, 721. This is different, so we put a line and we give it a box. Again, steps 1, 2, and 3. Our first step is to find out if we're going from smaller to larger or larger to smaller. Kilograms is smaller or larger than grams? That's right, it's larger. So we're going from larger to smaller, which means we need to multiply. We need a special number. Our special number is how many of these are in one of these? Do you remember? Kilogram, kilogram. The word kilo, K-I-L-O, that means 1,000. Good job remembering, 1,000. 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So now we're going to multiply 1 times 1,000. That's super easy. Okay? 1,000. We write our 1,000 in the box. We add it to our 721, super easy. 1,721 is your answer. Very good. Now we're going to go over to your worksheet and talk a little bit about money. Okay. Let's talk real quick about subtracting $500. Well, the money's getting bigger. Yesterday it was only a few dollars, $20. Today we're going to have $500 minus $458.19. Remember our subtraction. We borrow until we can find someone to borrow from. We found 5. We borrow from the 1. We take away 1 and we add 10. Take away 1 makes it a 4 and we add 10. Now we have to borrow from him. Take away 1, which makes it a 9, and give away 10. Take away 1 and give away 10. Take away 1 and give away 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. I bring my decimal down. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 4 is nothing. And we need our dollar sign. Just like yesterday, we're going to see how we can take this dollar amount and find the right amounts of money, whether that be bills or change. Okay? So, $41.81. Can I use $20 bills? Yes, I can. How many? 20, 40. Oh, if I got 60, that'd be too much. So how many? 2. Now 10. If I have $40 already, adding 10 would be $50. That's too much. So 0. $5. That would be 45. Too many. How about $1? We'd have 40 now. Remember 40 in our head. Plus $1 would be $41. Very good. How about quarters? We need 81 cents. Let's count by quarters. 25, 50, $75. Oh, too many. So how many? 3. Now we're at 75 cents. 75 cents. Now if we get a dime, we'd be at 85. That's too much, so we don't need any dimes. How about nickels? 20. We're at 75 cents. If we get a nickel, it'd be 80 cents, so we need 1 nickel. And how many pennies? That's right, 1 penny. Excellent. Okay, boys and girls, this is your worksheet, page 279. We're going to talk a little bit about elapsed time. So they're asking a question. Mom and Samantha leave their home at 6:45 to go to the planetarium. What time is 6:45? 6:45. Excellent. 6:45. It takes them 20 minutes to drive to the planetarium. Now, 6:45 and then add 20 minutes. If we add 15 minutes, you'll get to 7 o'clock. 5 more minutes would be 7:05. The last clue says the program begins 15 minutes after they arrive. What is 15 minutes after 7:05? 7:20. Very good. And so we need to go ahead and mark this answer. We are going to go down to number 4 to practice our clocks. And we're going to write the times both ways. Remember, there's 2 ways to write it, okay? We're going to write it in words and in numbers. So the first way, you would say 3:30, right? Everyone knows how to write 3:30. You also need to know that this is 3:30. Okay? Next one, 7:15. We all know 7:15. But what time is this? It's after 7. How much after? 1/4 after. Very good. 1/4 after. 1/4 after 7. Okay, and do the rest of them and the back for your seat work time. We will see you back tomorrow. Have a great day.